Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an idiom you've probably heard before, but maybe weren't 100% sure what it meant. Ready? Let's get into it. So, have you ever done something that made a friend, a family member, or even your boss a little less than pleased with you? Maybe you completely forgot about a coffee date you had planned, or you missed an important deadline at work. We've all been there, right? That feeling of knowing you've messed up and someone is annoyed with you? Well, there's a perfect idiom for that exact situation: to be in someone's bad books. What does it mean to be in someone's bad books? It's pretty straightforward, actually. If you're in their bad books, it means you've done something to displease them, and they're currently annoyed or angry with you. You've fallen out of their favor, and you might need to do a little work to get back on their good side. It is like you've been mentally added to a list of people who have caused them some trouble recently. Think of it as a temporary blacklist of favor. Let's look at a few examples to make it super clear. Imagine you borrowed your brother's favorite jacket and accidentally spilled ketchup all over it. You could say, "I'm definitely in my brother's bad books now." Or, how about at the office? If your colleague Sarah was late to the big presentation for the third time this month, you might hear your manager say, "Sarah is really in my bad books. This tardiness is becoming a problem." It signals that patience is wearing thin. Here's another one. Let's say you promised your friend you'd help them move, but then you overslept and missed the whole thing. Your friend might tell someone later, "Yeah, they're in my bad books for bailing on me." It perfectly captures that sense of disappointment and annoyance. It's not necessarily a permanent falling out, but it's a clear sign that you've got some making up to do. So, where did this phrase come from? The origin isn't definitively known, but many believe it's linked to the idea of keeping records. In the past, people would keep account books, logging debts and transactions. Being in the bad book could have figuratively meant you owed someone not money, but an apology or a good deed to balance the scales. Another theory connects it to records of people who had misbehaved, like a student's disciplinary record kept by a teacher. Either way, the imagery of a book where your sins are recorded is pretty powerful, isn't it? The next time you hear someone say they're in the bad books, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's a useful and common expression to describe that temporary state of being in trouble with someone. Just try not to end up in too many people's bad books yourself. And that's our idiom for today. I hope you found that helpful. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more fun phrases, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.